If you're a commercial artist and you're not selling prints, you're missing out on a huge opportunity to make money from your artwork. But here's the thing. Not all prints are created equal. Maybe you've tried prints before, but the quality was off, or maybe the paper was wrong, or maybe you just didn't know where to start. Well, in this video, I'm going to walk you through 6 simple steps to turn your artwork into high-quality prints that people will love. And if you stick around until the end, I'll share a secret bonus tip that could double your revenue without selling a single extra print. Let's get started. Step 1. Choosing the right artwork. Not every piece of art works well as a print. Some look amazing on a screen but lose their impact when printed. Others might have colors that don't translate well or too much fine detail that gets lost. So, how do you pick the right ones? Start with pieces or an art style that already get a lot of attention, whether that's social media likes, gallery interest, or friends saying, "I'd buy that." Consider what works across different print formats. Bold, high contrast, and well-balanced pieces tend to look the best. If you work with textured media like watercolor or oil paint, make sure the texture enhances the print rather than making it look messy. Step 2. High-quality scans or photos. All right, now that you've chosen the right artwork, let's digitize it properly, because a bad scan can ruin everything. If your artwork is small, like a sketch or watercolor, use a high-resolution scanner, at least 300 dpi to capture fine details. For larger pieces, like canvas paintings, use a DSLR camera with good lighting. Avoid glare and shadows by using even, natural lighting or a soft light setup. And whatever you do, don't rely on phone photos unless you absolutely have to. If you want professional prints, you need a professional quality image file. Step 3. Choosing a print method. Now that you have a high-resolution digital file, it's time to decide how to print it. There are a few different methods, and each one has its own pros and cons. Digital printing, best for small runs and affordability, great for beginners. Gicleeprinting, a high-end form of inkjet printing using archival inks, perfect for fine art prints. Screen printing, best for bold designs but expensive for detailed images, great for limited editions. Offset printing, great for large bulk orders but requires high minimums. Letterpress, adds a raised embossed effect for a handmade feel, perfect for minimalist designs. Your choice depends on your budget, quality expectations, and whether you're printing in bulk or on demand. Okay, halfway there. If you have found value in this video so far, hit the like button and let us know. Step 4. Selecting the right print media. All right, now let's talk about paper and print surfaces, because the right choice here can make or break your print quality. Here are some popular options. Glossy photo paper, vibrant colors but reflects light, which can be distracting. Matte fine art paper, a more subtle, elegant look with no glare, great for professional art prints. Canvas adds texture and depth, making prints look more like original paintings. Recycled cardstock, a great eco-friendly option that appeals to sustainability-conscious buyers. Metallic paper has a shiny pearlescent finish that makes colors pop. Watercolor paper works beautifully for hand-drawn or watercolor art to maintain an organic feel. Each medium affects how your art looks and feels, so order test prints to compare before committing. Step 5. Selecting a print vendor. Now that you know what to print on, the next step is finding the right print vendor. Not all print shops are the same, so here's what to look for. Print quality. Do they offer giclée? What type of inks do they use? Finishing options. Do they provide borderless prints, custom sizes, or textured finishes? Pricing. Make sure the cost allows for a good profit margin. Turnaround time. Some vendors take weeks, while others offer fast shipping. Pro tip: order sample prints before committing. Some vendors print darker or lighter than expected. Step 6. Packing and shipping. So you've printed your artwork, now you need to make sure it arrives safely to customers. Here's how to pack your prints like a pro. Flat prints. Use rigid mailers with a backing board to prevent bending. Larger prints. Roll them into sturdy shipping tubes, not flimsy ones that can be crushed. Limited editions? Sign and number them to add value and exclusivity. always include a thank you note. A personal touch goes a long way. Shipping is part of the customer experience, so don't cut corners here. Okay, now for that bonus tip I promised you. A way to make more money without selling more prints. Have you ever thought about turning your artwork into jigsaw puzzles? Here's why puzzles are a brilliant addition to your art business. A wider market. Art collectors and decor buyers mainly buy prints, but puzzles appeal to a much broader audience: families, gift shoppers, and puzzle enthusiasts. You're tapping into multiple markets at once. Your art is the focus of the product. Just like a print, a puzzle is all about the artwork. But instead of just hanging on a wall, your art becomes interactive and engaging. People spend hours piecing it together, appreciating the details in a way they wouldn't with a simple print. They're easy to produce and profitable. Unlike prints, which often require different paper types, framing, and shipping variations, puzzles are a self-contained product. No extra accessories needed. And the best part? With puzzlesunlimited.com, you can get custom jigsaw puzzles of your artwork without huge upfront costs. They offer low minimum orders, meaning you can test different designs without a big investment. Think about it. Your art turned into a fun, giftable product that's easy to market and sell. So if you're looking for a new way to profit from your art, definitely check them out. I'll leave a link in the description so you can get started. All right, you now have 6 solid steps to start making and selling high-quality prints, plus a bonus idea to set yourself apart. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and check out my other videos. And if you want even more details, head over to marketyourart.net. I've linked the full article in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.